Luke Leatherman with Feuling Parts here with the Tech Tip. We want to talk about the main sump scavenging hole inside the engine case. Here's the main plug that's in the bottom of the case. This is a Milwaukee 8, would be equivalent to a 17 to 21 model. And you can see down in here, this is the windage tray for the crankshaft, and you can see that's the main scavenge port hole on the inside of the sump, or the inside of the crankcase cavity. When the factory machines and taps this main hole, it breaks through the casting. You can see kind of the threads on the inside there. That creates two inconsistencies from case to case, and that's because that breakout, where it breaks through the casting, is different in each case. Another aspect that's a concern of ours is how far the plug threads in, and this is something that's different on each case as well. For one, just have the variance in the machining and the plug for the main sump hole. I just kind of want to show you, I put some red Dykem on this plug so you can see that it's red. You can look in there and see how far that's sticking up. It's sticking up roughly 2 threads, which really isn't that bad. We've seen some engine cases where that's sticking up as far as like 4 threads. So the higher that plug sticks up, the more oil level you're going to have in the bottom of your engine sump automatically, just because the oil can't scavenge because it's being blocked off by that plug. You may want to play with some thread tape so that you back this thing off some, and or just trim the plug down. Chuck it in the lathe, or maybe take it over to your grinder and trim that down so that way you're not going to block off any of that scavenge port.